Looking for the best fishing drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Airdrop Device. This innovative device seamlessly integrates with your Mavic Mini or Mini 2 drone, opening up a world of possibilities. It's lightweight, easy to install, and ready for your next adventure. Remotely deliver small payloads with precision and ease. Whether it's fishing bait, wedding rings, or advertising materials, it handles it all. From search and rescue operations to delivering meals, this device adapts to various scenarios. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool. It features a rapid release mechanism and a 2 cm raised landing gear for enhanced safety and protection of your drone. It's designed for reliability. Enjoy convenient USB charging and a separate remote control for precise operation. It's simple to use and incredibly efficient. It's perfectly compatible with DJI Mini, Mini SE, Mini 2 and Mini 2 SE drones. Please note that this is not compatible with Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro models. What we like, it boasts a rapid release mechanism and is incredibly easy to install. If you need a simple, convenient solution for delivering small payloads, this is the perfect choice. Its USB charging feature adds to its user-friendliness, making it ideal for various applications like delivering wedding rings or fishing bait. What people say, I was very surprised on this product because of the price. I was expecting it to be flimsy, no able to work, the usual fears. Once I got it, it was the easiest setup and so fun to drop things. I do recommend using a little clasp or hook for easy attachment to the pin that releases. Hook it up as per the directions, completed the app settings, and charge it. For the first flight, it wasn't getting a good signal to turn on the light and actuate the motor. Adjusted the bracket and light sensor and everything worked as advertised. Impressed at how good it works and how it uses buttons already programmed on your controller. I've been shark fishing with it by flying out bonita and ladyfish 500 to 800 feet on a Mavic Air 2. Hasn't failed yet. Number 4. Swell Pro Fisherman FD1. Forget the boat, this drone lets you troll your fishing line from the air, attracting fish from afar. It's a whole new way to fish with the optional troll safe. It automatically releases your line when you get a bite, protecting your drone from snags or bird strikes. Adjust the release to match the fishing conditions. It's engineered to handle winds up to Bort 47. Its advanced propulsion system and flight computer give you superior control, even in challenging conditions. The upgraded GPS and altimeter ensure accurate positioning and altitude control. Even with interference, it always knows which way is north, no matter the magnetic field. This drone minimizes the pendulum effect often seen when carrying a payload. It intelligently controls acceleration and acceleration for a stable flight. What we like, this drone excels in wind resistance and features an innovative anti-pendulum system. If you're looking to troll for fish without a boat, this drone's ability to handle strong winds and maintain stability while carrying a payload makes it a top contender. Its unique features make it perfect for serious anglers. What people say, it carries the bait out for our lines with no problem. We're considerate of the winds when flying, but it withstood 10 MESHR winds with grace. It's a workhorse and carries heavy payloads even in heavy wind. This drone has features that make it easy for a novice to use. It performs extremely well in rain and wind. It exceeds my expectations and outperforms other drones I've used for my shark fishing. Number 3. DJI Drone Airdrop System. This innovative system is compatible with a wide range of drones, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. It's designed for ease of use and seamless integration with your existing drone. It can carry up to 1 kilogram, perfect for fishing, weddings, or even search and rescue operations. The possibilities are endless. Control it with a simple one-button operation from up to 500 m away. That's further than most other systems on the market, weighing only 42 g. It won't affect your drone's performance. Enjoy stable and reliable drops every time. Installation is a breeze with the included hook and loop straps. It's adjustable to fit various drone models and requires no extra tools. It works with many popular drone models including the DJI Mini 4 Pro, Air 3, Mavic 3 Pro, and many more. Check the compatibility list to see if yours is supported. What we like, with its wide compatibility and impressive 1 kilogram payload capacity, it offers versatility for various tasks. If you need a drone that works with a wide range of models and can carry heavier loads, this is your best bet. The extended control distance adds to its practicality for fishing, search and rescue, or other applications requiring distance. What people say, easy to install. The installation process was straightforward and hassle-free. The package included clear instructions and I had it set up and ready to go in no time. Works flawlessly. This system works flawlessly. I've used it multiple times and it has consistently performed as expected. The release mechanism is reliable and I've never had any issues with it malfunctioning or failing to drop the payload when needed. Impressive range. The system works easily out to 800 feet, which is fantastic for my needs, whether I'm dropping bait or delivering small items. The extended range gives me a lot of flexibility and control over where I can operate. Number 2. Posidon 480 Pro 2 Fishing Drone. This drone boasts the world's most stable flight control system and makes DRO and your bait simple and safe even in challenging conditions. It features built-in GPS automatic heading correction and interference monitoring. This ensures stable flight with minimal electromagnetic interference. The waterproof design is incredibly convenient. You can drop bait multiple times without completely powering it down. Enjoy high-definition 4K image transmission with electronic anti-shake. Monitor flight status data and video in real time via the mobile app. Up to 1000 mAh. The 5G HD digital image transmission and night lighting function make fishing at night or in low light conditions easy. This drone includes a patented bait release system specially designed for precise and reliable bait deployment. What we like, this drone stands out with its advanced waterproof technology and 4K camera. If you're a serious angler who needs a reliable drone for fishing in various conditions, this is the one for you. Its night vision capabilities and high-quality camera ensure you can fish effectively day or night. What people say: it flew great and dropped the bait perfectly. We worked well together. Number 1. DJI Phantom Searchlight is a great addition for both daytime and nighttime fishing, making it easier and more exciting. You can use it to drop your bait into the water and easily spot large fish from a distance. It's also perfect for search and rescue missions, allowing you to deliver essential supplies to people in hard-to-reach areas, even at night. For fun occasions, you can use it to drop party items like confetti, balloons, or other decorations from the sky for birthdays, weddings, or any celebration. It's very easy to use. Just trigger the drop with a button on your controller or by rotating your drone. Setting it up is quick, and no tools or modifications to your drone are needed. Please note that this is just the Searchlight add-on. The drone itself is not included in the purchase. What we like: the powerful Searchlight makes it ideal for fishing, search and rescue, or fun activities. The simple drop mechanism is easy to operate, making it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. If you're looking for a versatile drone for fishing, rescue work, or just for fun, this is a great choice. Check the description below for the Amazon purchase link. We hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.